I am Dr. V. Radhakrishnamurthy, retired professor and head, Department of Agronomy, Acharya N.G. Ranga Agriculture University, Agriculture College, Bapatla. I retired from my service on 30th of June 2020. It had long been my desire to start a YouTube channel for the benefit of first my students, then to the farmers, then for the rural development. That's why rural development is the final ultimate, or you can say my target in the remaining part of my work. Coming to my studies, I have been always a first class student throughout my career, starting from secondary school certificate, intermediate, board of intermediate exam, BSc Agriculture, MSc in Agriculture Meteorology from BAU Ludhiana. I did my BSc Agriculture from Agriculture College Bapatla, and in PhD also I have been a distinction student. I did it in the year 1999 from Rajendra Nagar campus of our Agriculture University. Then I studied PG Diploma in Environmental Studies from Andhra University, Walter. Throughout my career, I have been a very first-class student, and I have been a sportsman. I have represented my university in the All India Inter-University Hockey tournaments. I have been involved in innumerable sports and athletics throughout my career. Now, coming to my work experience is concerned, after my master's degree program in Agriculture Meteorology from PAU Ludhiana, I joined in AP Cooperative Oilseeds Growers Federation Limited. There I extensively worked on outreach aspects of groundnut and other oilseed crops. Then in the university, I started my career as a research assistant. Then finally retired as professor in head Department of Agronomy. As far as my contributions are concerned, if we look at the publications, I have published over 58 peer-reviewed scientific articles, 150 abstracts or notes presented in national and international seminars, symposia, workshops, 8 books on agriculture meteorology at the UG level. I have published for the benefit of the student across the Asia. First, basic principles of agriculture meteorology, terminology on agriculture meteorology, practical manual on agriculture meteorology, terminology on agricultural meteorology and agronomy, and for the PG students, principles and practices of agricultural disaster management. Then at the PG level, a book on operational agriculture meteorology for practicals at PG and PhD levels. Then a book on indigenous weather knowledge. Then a Telugu book for the benefit of the farmers on weather and agriculture, and a related subject, agriculture heritage, for the benefit of the students. I have published a book on agriculture heritage. Then around 9 peer-reviewed publications as book chapters in international books. In addition to all these things, as far as agricultural education, particularly higher agriculture education and polytechnic agriculture education is concerned, I have authored and co-authored over 15 books, developed innumerable concepts. Of them, the best ones which are accepted in Africa, Andean countries, of course in Asia, are the GDD calculator that was developed in a Department of Science and Technology, Government of India project. Then the Murthy's Daily Weather and Agriculture Concept, Murthy and Stichter's Blended Weather Technologies, Murthy's Rainfall Constants, Murthy's Technology for Winter Paddy Nurseries. Above all, very, very popular concept that I have developed is weather health concept. For the first time in the world, I have coined and defined the term weather health, and few of my PG and PhD students, PG and PhD students have worked on weather health. I am the first person in the world to coin the term and to define it, and practically worked for several years on this concept. It is gaining momentum. Now, coming to other works I have done as far as research is concerned, as I informed, I have published over 58 peer-reviewed scientific articles and over 150 abstracts, or you can say extended abstracts or peer-reviewed presentations in several symposia, workshops, etc. for the benefit of not only students but also for the operational agriculture meteorological services. I have been an expert team member of World Meteorological Organization on several committees. Guide to agriculture meteorological practices, curricular development for agriculture meteorology in World Meteorological Organization, Geneva, Switzerland. I have been a consultant and worked in Asia for World Bank on weather, climate and farmers, roving seminars. I am considered one of the most resourceful persons as far as roving seminars on weather, climate and farmers are concerned. In the days to come in my channel, that is climate change, farmers and rural development, I would be sharing with you several of my experiences for the benefit of the farmers. The aim of this particular channel and my purpose of starting this channel is first to educate the students on agriculture meteorology aspects, both at the UG level and PG level and also at PhD level, and enlightening the farmers how to use weather as a non-monetary input. In all the agriculture operations, farmers are spending lots of money, whether it is for land preparation, fertilizers, irrigation, weed management, etc., starting from seed. Okay. However, when weather and climate information is used by the farmers on in all agriculture operations, there is a likelihood that farmers' cost of cultivation could be reduced substantially, maybe 40%, up to 40%. The quality of produce and crops can be enhanced by another 10%. Research results have proved across the globe. So this is what I would like to take finally for the rural development. Thanking you very much. I invite you to my channel.